getting ready to throw this remanufactured lowering engine 1 on the 2013 Mercury ProXs. It's going to be 1B97. I think it's written over here. See, 978446. So 1B978. Anyway, so yeah, I'm sure the gears in the other one. And, I think it was a reverse gear, but pinion nut dropped and it got in the gears. So this is an expensive deal. But I got the new one in, comes without the pump. Just put my old pump on it because it was brand new. And it was like 6 months old, I think. Anyway, gonna throw it back on. And got my brother out here to help me. So, I guess that's what we're up to. So hopefully this light's all that. That's how it came. It came scratched? It's not scratched. It's like tape or something. I'll get something.
What do you think, guys? Take it back. It's got 2 scratches on it.
Come on now.
Hey, easy. Try to do it all yourself. Alright, I'll hold it while you get everything lined up. And what are you going to do with that hose?
I'm going to leave it off because...
Well, is it going to get in the way?
No.
Alright, so...
Jiggle it.
Yeah, go back up top, turn the flywheel clockwise, and it'll go right up in there.
Up in there?
Up in there.
Well, we got to get our shift cable.
Where's it at?
That's right. I got it. If I can turn the flywheel. Alright.
There we go.
There, is it all the way up?
Yeah.
Looks like we're in the shift too. Yeah.
Is it in there?
It's in there. We're just hang on and get a bolt going.
So what about that hose or whatever? What is that anyway?
Well, in the old days, you know, you had like a speedometer. You can push it on up if you can.
Push it on up.
That's probably good. But it would send a water hose tube up to your gauge. And on these, you know, it's got another location for a sensor that tells the water pressure. And for the life of me, I think this is disconnected.
Yeah.
I won't talk to nobody. You're good. You don't have to hold it. You put
Here,
this
I can.
on.
Jeff's got a phone call. Busy Central, I guess.
Not somebody wanting to buy your house, somebody wanting to do something else.
Always somebody wanting to do something.
And then I noticed too, like I don't see where they didn't bend the tab. This is supposed to be your locking tab. I'm going to have to bend that over. So when you get these, make sure that your locking tabs, they must have just missed it. I don't know.
Okay, it's ready for a torque wrench.
You just got to get them tight, dude. You don't have to torque them down.
Huh? Well, you got to get them to spec, don't you?
Not really, because...
Why?
You just torque them down, get them good and tight. You don't... They're lock nuts. They don't move.
Well, I just thought maybe there were certain specs on
Well, there is.
for it to seal.
You can feel it. When it stops, it stops. You don't have to check it.
What do you mean?
Whenever you... This guy could take He could take, I swear, a rusted bolt off a tractor with just his bare knuckles.
He calls it the Chucky grip.
Yeah, it is, too. It's serious.
My grandpa, well, our grandpa had real strong grip. I kind of take after him, I guess. Well, both grandpas were pretty strong.
Did you get them tight?
Yeah, I just torqued them.
That's the way too. On the way this wrench is notched, you want to go this way. You don't want. You could go this way, but you have more leverage this way. Those stop. Just you're going the wrong way. And he did it too. Well, that dude is on there.
So it's on.
I'm gonna bend this tab back, fill it with oil, put the anode on, get her done. I pumped up the fuel, and there's a little fuel ball I got back here, and then I cycled the key, I don't know, 4 or 5 times to see if it gets some fuel in there. Turn the water on and see what happens. Well, here we go, guys. Moment of truth.